How to log into your Capital One credit card account online. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be discussing about how you can easily log into your Capital One credit card online. So first thing, simply search in for Capital One credit card online from any of your browser. And once you search in for that, simply head over to the first link which appears over here. And you can see there is a sign in button at the top right corner of your screen. If you are using mobile app, you can do the same. So just follow along the on-screen instruction, that is by simply providing your registered username as well as your password from over here. So make sure all of your details are correct. And once you successfully enter all of the correct details, you can decide if you want your browser to remember your account the next time you log in, so it will be easier. So you can easily check this box for that reason as well. And if you don't want, you can leave it like this and simply click on sign in button to successfully sign into your Capital One credit card account successfully. So if you ever forget your username or password, you can do so or reset them by simply tapping on this link provided right below the sign in button over here as well. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.